How to get trial chamber map in Minecraft. So first you will need to find an unemployed villager. So I'm just gonna spawn one right here to show you guys. So I have an unemployed villager right here. So just place a cartography table next to him so that he would accept the job, and then he will be a cartographer. So once that's done, you will just need to level up the cartographer until he reaches the journeyman level. And now, as you can see, once the cartographer reaches journeyman level, you will now get the trial explorer map right here. So I'm just going to simply craft it or basically trade it. Now, as you can see, I have the trial explorer map, and I'm just pretty close to the trial chambers. I just simply need to follow the route or the map until you reach the point right there. And after that, you just simply need to take down this point right here. So I'm just gonna dig down first to check if it is really right here. So after digging for quite some time, if you reach a depth of 0, you'll eventually stumble upon this block, which will basically lead you to the trial chamber right here. So as you can see, it's gonna go down, and there you go. We are now inside the trial chamber. And that's how you basically get the trial chamber map in Minecraft.